What's the meaning of cross-pollination? Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination.
Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination. The term cross-pollination refers to the transfer of pollen from one plant to another, typically between plants of the same species. This can occur through natural means such as wind or insect pollination, or through human intervention such as hand pollination. The result of cross-pollination is often the creation of new genetic traits in the offspring, which can lead to greater diversity within a species. Cross-pollination can also lead to the creation of hybrid plants with unique characteristics and improved resistance to disease and environmental stresses.